Iyabo Ojo, princess comedian, I am challenging you to be sure for immediately. If you know what you're saying about IJESHA'S case is the truth, to be sure for me, pressure, use the same energy to ask that the police or the Lagos state government should charge Damilola Adekola and the security of the house to court. After all, sperm was found on that girl few days before IJESHA was arrested during police investigation, and the girl accused no other person, Bomba Musun, that the only people that were is Damilola Adekola and the security of the house. Okay, these two people, Princess knew they were using the girl a year before to set IJESHA up. Make it make sense to me. In the same investigation, same victim, same case. Now you all covered it. Tell me part of the law that says that kind of a person can walk free, is walking free. If truly the girl is 14, that means you chose to be silent and cover. The predator can walk free. You're only interested in IJESHA, whose intention is not to touch the girl, was not to touch the girl. He was invited to come and act a movie by Princess. Secondly, if you are so sure, tell me Ibagbe, drop the CCTV. Police confirmed and confessed in court that they never had access to the CCTV because there was no network. Make it make sense to me. I can tell you categorically, Tiwaba was CCTV. If you look into the CCTV, the same Damilola Adekola that was to the girl was also in the room setting up, planning on how to arrest IJESHA. In which you, Princess, knew he was having the same girl. Toba sure for you, if you are so sure, if you're not deceiving Lagos state government, bring the true birth certificate of that girl. Bring her age. Because as we speak now, no judge, no court, no police, no prosecutor has evidence of the true age of the girl. Yet, you are holding IJESHA down because the age of the girl is not up to 18. Oh, but the majority of the Nigerian youth don't know the difference between children and minor. Children is 1 to 12 years old. Minor is 13 to 17 years old. That is another thing. If truly you are a genuine fighter, because I'm still in shock. Why by now you knew in advance before Mohbad died? You claim you have evidence that Naira Marley is the drink and food of your children. Is that the one or they want to mess up with that person? You claim you have evidence, not a single petition to fight for your own children. You keep coming up with flimsy stuff when it's getting out of hand. Nigerian police, I am challenging you because we are coming with a serious protest very soon. You must arrest again and charge Damilola Adekola to court because he knows that the girl is an adult. That was why he was released to go. And if the girl is an adult, whatever happened, as a matter of fact, that girl was still likely to go. She submitted herself to ruin and ambush an innocent man into misfortune. But IJESHA has right to say, if you must know. And if there is any other thing I want to tell you, I mean, social culture, you set him up, you invited him for a movie, you placed the girl as the acting partner, and you asked the girl to actually play a role. If she is an adult, then she is an accomplice. She is accessory after the fact too. How much more Princess? And then tell us if it is okay in this country that you can actually record. The debt we owe every child is protection. I am not saying you can abuse children. As we speak, I have defended, I fought for children that are. After IJESHA'S case, ask the PPRO of Lagos State, Mr. Undeyin. I chose human rights because that is what I think will free this country. Don't just waste your life and die for nothing. Die for something reasonable. I am challenging you. Make it make sense to me. Why Damilola Adekola is out there continue to abuse children because the police and all of you women in this case covered him up. When God is ready, and it will never get to me. If it gets to me, I will gladly enjoy the persecution and pain if I am fighting against injustice rather than stay in comfort and cover up injustice. Thank you and God bless you.